Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back. I hope you all are doing great. And so today I am in the mood for doing some experimentation. I wanted to do some metallic eyeshadow looks. So come on, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so I have used like my iconic kajal and I've applied it all over my lids with the brush. Okay, so today I'll be using Beauty Glazed Color Studio Press Powder eyeshadow, and I'll use these three shades to bring in the look I want. First I'll blend the deeper shade, then the lighter one to give it an ombre effect. Over here I'm using the pink shimmer eyeshadow of cooler tone, and this is how it looks when I'm applying. I'm simply tapping the eyeshadow here for the best results. Now that's done, I'll move on to the liner. I'll be using Elle water resistant black outliner. For mascara, I'll be using Blue Heaven Extreme Length Mascara. And now I'll remove the tape. This is the eye makeup, and for the final look, tada, here it is. To be very honest, I'm impressed how it turned out, and if you like this video, do not forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. Please do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ta-ta!